I want now to make the home and make it big. I will make it from the place that I say for you to make. Now I make it and it is good, but this one is not good. I will make it up just like this. Now I want to say for you how to make or to like we know the home and we know insert, we make designs, we make this one. This if we make it cut, it is will cut like this. Fade. When you make here, look here, like this. We'll make it here, and then we will put it like push from transitions. I will make this animation. I will make. I will make from here. Like I will make full cover, full over, or I will have here so many things. Like I will make this one. Yes, I will make this one for this. Here I will make this one. Wow, it's so nice. Now I make it. I will make for the third one. I will make for it this one. Yes. Now I will make it here down for the first page. I will make here. This is the first one. It is my city. This is our city. This is the second one. It is my school. And this is the third one. It is my home. Now, I wish all of you have learned with me, and I like you all. I love you all, and don't forget to do the paper. What save from file? Save as first. Save. I make it save. Then I will go here. Like wait, I will make it X and here save. And I will name it my city. My city Hafsa Ahmed. And I will make it save. You name it what you want. I will make it like this. And you will bring it from here. Search. Where is it? I will make it search. I will make city. When I only make city, yes, it is city Hafsa. I will click on it. Now it has come to me, and it is not bad. And when I make it like this, it will come like this or like this. And I wish all of you have learned with me how to use the PowerPoint. And don't forget to do like and share and subscribe and click on the bell, because when I make any video new, it's come to you. And don't forget to do like and share and subscribe, and goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye.